Hello guys, this is another pair Aussie USD, Australian dollar and US dollar. I am currently in monthly time frame at the moment. You guys can see, and this is the trend line of the month. This is the January candle. You guys can see, and it is respected the top the trend line. And based as it is respecting the trend line, I would like to draw another trend line from the downside to see what is happening. Okay guys, any trend line you draw, you have to touch the red and green. Never do this only the red, it doesn't give you the actual reflection. So you have to touch both red and green, and here if we draw, we will get something like this. So this is a very big thing you need to see on greater picture, that the trend line, both the trend line is approaching towards a breakout. I don't know which way it will break out, but it is squeezing day by day. And the thing we can take from here is this: we didn't have a double top here because in monthly we don't have. But we had a double top here, this green and red, this green and red, and it pushed the price here. After coming back to this area, it made a double bottom here, this red and green, and pushed the price again on the upper side. And now we are considering this area, what made this double top. First of all, you guys can visually see that it is respecting the trend line, so that is one reason that it made a double top here. But I need to see the structural market pattern, what resisted here apart from this trend line, because market pattern, the market structure has higher strength than the trend line alone. Trend line is based on market structure is not based on trend line. And if we see, this is the double top and double bottom we had, and this is 50%, and the price has broken the 50% in January, and it came to this area. And here we had this imbalance from the top shadow of this red candle and the bottom of this red candle last month. But in February we are seeing that it has squeezed the imbalance a little bit from whatever the situation right now, from here to here. Okay guys, if I increase it a little, you guys can be more clear. Let me do it again so you understand how does the thing works. So this was the actual liquidity. I am sorry, the marketing balance, the fair value gap, the liquidity, whatever you say. The liquidity actually lies here. So I should rather say the fair value gap or the imbalance. So before this candle appeared on Thursday, starting from here, moving up and coming down to the current position on Friday, end of the trade session of the week, the market, the imbalance was here. But now the imbalance has been taken out a little, and currently it is here. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Apart from that, this is the double bottom we have. So market already broke the previous 50% area and coming down. So we need to find what happened here, pushing the price here, and why the price has stopped here. And let's move to, and please keep it in mind, the area is squeezing, so be careful. Either it will break out on the top side or it will break down on the bottom side. Let's move to weekly now. So in weekly we can see that we had this double top. The reason the price started moving downward from where the current situation, this bearish pattern has started. From here it started from this red and green and red, and this green and red. So this is the guy, this guy, and this is the price zone. So I would like to remove the price zone at the moment because we don't need it. We just need to mark it. So this is the highest level of the price. We have to consider the depth of the market, and this is the lowest zone of the price. Now we need the highest, and that will do the job. Considering the thing, this was the market imbalance previously. Sorry, currently we have the market came down here, and it tried to take out this imbalance, and still the imbalance remains there, almost intact. This imbalance has never been addressed so far, and this is one imbalance. The second imbalance we have, let me do it correctly so we don't mix up. Okay, let me increase a little bit high. Okay, the second imbalance we have in the weekly is here. Okay, guys, I am a little bit clumsy. This is the imbalance in weekly left. This area has never been tapped when the market came down to current position, and this area needs to be addressed also. I don't know why, but and you guys see there is no imbalance, a little bit imbalance here, but not considering and considering this double top and the double bottom of the monthly this double bottom and this double top in weekly, if we measure the range from here to here, come on, here to here, this is the 50%, and price has just crossed the 50%. Very big shadow on weekly. You guys can see it tried to be refused here, came back, retest, came down again, tried to take out a little. Maybe it tried a little because it was if I increase, you guys can see it actually. The imbalance was up to this area. Later, when last week it came and it taken out a little of that imbalance to this level, but still this imbalance is intact from this shadow to this shadow. Now prices came down to this level and trying to reach here. So that is for the week, and we have a monthly imbalance left here, which we have already seen. This guy. Let me do it this guy a little bit more better for you guys understanding. So this guy is, am I correct? Yes, I am correct. Okay. So this is another thing. So this is where it is coming, and weekly you guys see, if we draw the weekly imbalance, it is also a very big one considering this top and till to this green guy. Can you guys see? This is a very big weekly. Also this monthly has already been touched. So let me draw, at least you guys can have a visualization. Later I will remove. This is the imbalance already left actually. Okay. And it is inside monthly and also outside monthly at the moment. So this is weekly. So this is another imbalance in weekly. So very big imbalance in weekly, guys. This shadow, if you taken out, this was never, the price never came down to this area. So as monthly is more important, so let's leave it out for the time being. So this is it in daily. If we go now in daily, I did mention that we have forming a cup and handle, and the handle has already been formed. So there was two options: either this handle the price will start moving up from here, taking out the liquidity from here and move to this liquidity, but it didn't. Now it is almost not almost, I will say, still there is chances, but there is every chances that it will invalid the cup and handle, but I am not that much hopeful. The reason price here we made last time, this was the double bottom it made from here, but this time the double bottom is taken out in daily, so we don't need this anymore and it has become invalid right now. So this double bottom has been taken out. You guys can see very clearly that this was the last mark, and this has taken out the last mark. Now it was ranging within this box which I have mentioned previously, and this time it has broken out of the box. So we don't have anything in there except that it has 50% crossed the 50% of the total range of the weekly, the total, the monthly and weekly. This is the weekly double top, and this was the monthly double top. It has broken, taken less than 50, now has crossed the 50% from the downside and heading. So this liquidity will be taken out, guys, before the market moves or do anything. That much I am sure. So either you can wait, take a retest here, see some retest here in daily, this middle line of the 50% of the total range. Then once it is done here, test, what I mean is the price will come here and retest this area, and then it will move and take out this whole imbalance. That is my prediction at the moment, but I want to see this retest because box is broken, so we don't see any reason the box to be there. But I leave it right now for two reasons. One is this you guys can see we have this daily imbalance currently. This is the daily imbalance the market need to address. Maybe it will come down, take out at least up to this area. So this is the area where the imbalance need to be addressed, and once it is done, then it will move, do this. So if I want to put it, let's put it in a different way. I think I have not done the same. It will take out this liquidity, come back, retest, and go forward. My way of thinking, I will take the trade here, not before that. This is the area I want to take the trade, not before that, not after that. So this is the area I want to take the trade. So make your own analysis, and this is the thing. It will be taken out, and this is a single candle which is very powerful. You know that any single candle opposite of color in a upward trend, which is red one, and in downward trend it is the green one. So we have a single candle. It may resist the price here. Then we have to see what happens. So lots of liquidity has been taken out here. This guy has never been addressed in weekly. That's it for me for AUD, OZ, USD. And if it breaks this area, guys, if it breaks this area, it will come to the double bottom we have seen in the monthly previously here. It will come this area. So be careful. I don't know about the US data at the moment because in this week there is no that much data. So market will be very plain and simple moving around in particular this area. So this is the imbalance. The market may take out, come back, test this 50% area. If it fails, then it will move to this area. So if I would like to generate a lead, there is two lead I can generate. Either some people can wait to be more conservative, they can take the trade here. Okay. A little bit higher will be stop loss. And the second option is this, it came down here, retest, then it moves downward. Make your own risk management. That's it for me. I'm not going to specifically tell the how where you should take 0.6526, something like this. Most likely, just I'm going to give you an idea. First is 0.6565. This is the area. Keep the stop loss up to this, and for this You don't just keep the 10 pips above this middle line, this dotted line. You just move a little, 10 pips more than that. So please use stop loss, stick to the strategy, because as long as stop loss is there, even the trade goes against you, I don't care. You made a small loss, keep evaluating the market and see how does the market involve and print the candlestick of its own way. And market, you guys can see that we have one very big rejection. After rejected from here, there was the big rejection and it came down like anything. So in weekly, you can see we have a very big rejection and the market came down like this. So the upside traction is less. And if we say in terms of market structure, the structure has been broken here already in weekly. You guys see it has taken out the lowest point of the last here. So next, if it comes down here, it may take out this guy or this guy, I don't know. But as far as daily is concerned, let me enable it. You can see things more easily in daily. So as far as daily is concerned, you guys can see that the structure has been broken already. It has taken out the previous lower. So I am expecting the market to target here. Believe me, the market will come and test this area. Okay, we'll test this area. After taking out this imbalance, maybe the thing will change. Then we have to do another analysis to see where the market will go. Because if we see in daily, you guys can see that there is a big market imbalance here. Can you guys see or not? I don't know. The upper shadow of this candle and the lower shadow of this candle, there is a very big. So after completing this monthly imbalance, maybe it will come and take out this area too. So if it crosses this guy, let me put them in black so you guys can see. I cannot see properly. So after taking out this guy, this area, this imbalance of the month, it may take out this guy also. This is the imbalance in daily. So please maintain your risk management. On the upside, I don't have any traction because it is already touching the monthly imbalance. So from here to here is far away, better to be here to be here. So because all the imbalance attract the market, all the fair value gap attracts the market very highly. Take care guys, and I would like to request you, would you like to subscribe my channel please? I am heading towards 100 subscribers, so please help me out. Thank you very much for your patience and hearing me out. Please do your risk management. Always use stop loss, stick to your strategy, don't get frustrated. The biggest is the way you will gain in the market, the higher when you have a higher level of patience in compared to normal traders. Take care, bye.